Good morning, everyone. This is Brian Keller reporting to you from my living room here in Garner, North Carolina. It's Monday morning, April the 26th. Time has flown by. This month has really gone by very, very fast, and a lot of things have, good things have happened. So I want to keep things going in that direction. But yeah, last week, um, well, let me see. Let's go back. Let's see. About a month or so, about 2 months ago, actually, I had heard about this cryptocurrency. I call it's DOGE. I guess it's dog or Dogecoin or whatever. I forget what it is. But anyway, um, it was trading at very. I mean, I'm talking maybe like between 5 and 10 cents. And you know, I don't know a lot about cryptos, but I heard that this guy Elon Musk, um, as well as Mark Cuban from the Dallas Mavericks. He's the owner of the Dallas Mavericks, and the guy in Shark Tank. They were saying, they're gonna buy um, that particular cryptocurrency, and I was like, really like, man, should I do it? Should I not do it? I don't know. And long story short, man, I'm like, last week I got noticed that it had gone up significantly, like to 30, I know, no, 42 cents, I think it was. And then I started hearing this one guy, man. I read that he had taken took like $180,000 and put it into this one particular cryptocurrency, and because of that, he has become a millionaire because of that. So then I heard a couple other people, they put like $1,200 in there, and they made like, I mean, 30 some $1,000, which is really good. I'm like, so I kind of hesitated on that. And of course, we all know Bitcoin. A few years ago, 4 or 5 years ago, Bitcoin was really, really low. Now it's at what, 60? Well, it was at $60,000. It did a not a reversal, but a correction, which is normal. Okay, and sometimes people who don't have a lot of experience in this type of thing, it's at a certain point, and then it'll start dropping, and then they'll liquidate it. But what's happening is it's just doing a market correction, and it's going to an area where it's going to eventually stop, and that's a really good place to actually buy. Okay, so these things happen. Market goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. So that sort of thing, and so um, so I missed those two things, but I'm going to try to keep my eye on these cryptocurrencies. I have a friend of mine, I think he's in Washington State, and he messaged me, man. He's like, Brian, I've been doing. I mean, he's really into cryptos. I mean, he buys them and he holds them, and he was telling me that he's got a portfolio over $250,000. I'm like, wow, that's pretty darn good, dude. So I'm gonna definitely be working with him to get some more information on everything. So this whole crypto thing, it's good, but can be a little confusing because you gotta, a lot of stuff is done out of the country, and you gotta think about getting the brokers and the wallets and how do you pay for it. You have to use a credit card, and there's so many factors that you have to do in order to really become successful with it. I mean, it's well worth it. I mean, of course, anything you kind of go through some hoops to get there, but we'll see how that goes. But I definitely am going to do that down the road and just get more information and work with my friend to help me to get to the point where I need to go. But in the meantime, I excuse me, as you guys know, I do trade the E-mini SP 500, which is a lot more simple. I mean, because I'm talking, you get a broker. It's all done here in the United States. You want your money, you basically send an email, the money's wired to you like the next day. So it's like really, really, really simple. And uh, I like it because it's very predictable. Um, it's predictable because it has, a lot of volume, um, and there are patterns that happen every day. Um, it's not too, like it's at 1.1 second and it just drops like 5 points in the, it's nothing like that. It's pretty consistent, and I like that. I really like that. It's very stable. Okay, and I've even heard like with crypto, with Bitcoin, I've that sucker drops could drop $10,000 in a day, and that's happened, or in a couple weeks that's happened. And again, if you don't, if you have a lot of money in that and you see them just dropping like that, you're gonna liquidate your account, and then you might potentially lose money. So you know, uh, I guess it all depends on your temperament. What can you stand and what can you not stand? I don't know. Are you looking to buy and hold? Are you looking to just get in, get out, to make some quick profits and that sort of thing? All depends on what you want to do. Me personally, for right now, I like the guerrilla method: getting in, getting out, getting in and out. That sort of thing, make some quick profits. And so, that's why I created my course on trading the E-mini SP 500. Here it is, right here. Da, da, da. All right, see there? How to accurately trade the E-mini SP 500 for consistent daily profits. Simple step-by-step program that shows you the exact techniques you can use to earn $300 to $500 per day. That's realistic, trading 1 to 2 hours per day from the comfort of your home. Now, 1 to 2 hours per day. I said 2 hours maximum. I'm going to say, me personally, 45 minutes to an hour. I feel I can do this pretty much that way. Here's a website, I'm sorry, not top, secret, secretwealthprogram.com. What that is, it's not it's not a website. Let me see, it's a, put it on the floor. It's a video. It's a YouTube video that will show you exactly what this is all about. Uh, the way I have this thing structured is that it's very safe. It's very safe. It's very conservative, but at the same time, it's very profitable. And I believe in scaling. You want to learn how to trade, and you only want to trade one contract. Okay, one contract, and you want to master trading one contract for 3 particular trades. You're looking, my course, I teach you to trade for 1.25 points, which is 1.25 points. Okay. Um, You'll do that with one contract. You'll master it. You do it over and over and over again. I have 2 different trading methodologies that I use to get to that destination, which is relatively easy. Okay, now my rationale is this: if you can trade one contract and you can master it over and over and over again, day after day, week after week, okay, then you can trade 2 contracts or 4 contracts or 5 or 6 or 10 or 20 or 30 or 100. The only difference is you're trading more contracts. You see what I'm saying? So my point is, you want to master trading one contract, because when you trade one contract for 1.25, you're gonna net about $45. Okay, with the 3 trades, 2 ticks, 2 ticks, 1 tick. Okay, which is equates to 1.25 points, 1.25 point. And you have commissions that they take out. So I'm saying that you probably make more of this, but I'm just saying on the low end, the conservative side, you're gonna net $45. Okay, so if you're netting $45 on one contract with 3 trades, then if you're trading, say, 10 contracts, just times that by 10, so $450 for for that amount. Again, this is not, I'm not saying this is etched in stone. I'm not making any guarantees, so don't come back and say, I'm guaranteeing this. I'm not saying this. I'm just making this as an example of what you can do. And like I said, the way I have this structured in my course, it's very safe. It's very, very safe. I use conservative methods, but again, it's very profitable. I don't want you staying in the market for a long period of time. I want you to get in, get out. This is truly like, I call it guerrilla marketing, just getting in and getting out and making that money. And then you wait for the next day until you trade again. So that's how that works. To make $300 to $500 a day is very realistic. I really believe you can do it, not out the bat, but I mean, as you begin to scale, you begin to trade, 4 or 5 contracts, and you're using the methodology. Oh yeah, definitely do that. There's a very, very small learning curve here either. Also, don't let anyone tell you that, oh, trading is so complicated, so hard. Yeah, it is if you don't have the right tools. You got to have the right tools. You got to have the right methodology. And I teach you that step by step in this course. Also, if you go online, you'll find out that most courses charge you a ton of money. I'm talking like $1,000 plus. Also, they want to charge you a monthly fee to go into the trading room. And also, I can tell you, been there, done that, got the t-shirt for it, that's not truly necessary. Okay, I teach you um, a really, really drop dead simple method. The more simple it is, the better. And you will see that I teach you how to stay on the right side of the market and trade with the big hedge funds, the big guys, and Wall Street. Okay, all you're doing is riding their coattails. That's all you're doing with my course, and I show you exactly and very specifically how to do that. That's the main thing. If you can do that, if you can, I mean, why go against the trend? You go with the trend, and you follow these big boys. You make a small amount, and you get out and you trade the next. You start trading the next day. That's how you do it. You don't want to stay in the market all day. Who wants to do that? You have things you want to do, okay? But again, this is something that you can really learn, relatively fast, a small learning curve. And I will tell you, I don't charge you an arm and a leg. I charge the cost of my course is a one-time $297. That's it. That's it. I give you access to my. If you need some help, uh, you can email me, or I even give you my cell phone number where you can call me. I give you everything that you need to start this program and succeed in it. So, what I would recommend you do before calling me and ask me questions, what I want you to do is I want you to go to this website. It's secretwealthprogram.com. Again, that is a YouTube video that explains more about what this is all about and gives you some really good information. And then once you do that, all you have to do is follow the instructions on the video. I can send you the order form and that sort of thing can get you going. But again, this is something that once you learn it, it's like riding a bike or swimming. You don't ever forget it. You can only get better at it. Okay, and this is something that you down the road you really want to learn because trading is the new thing. People are working from home more than ever before, with their jobs and so forth. And with this here, you're taking an hour or two a day to do this, so you can fit that into your schedule, and to make $300 to $500 potentially, then that's pretty darn good on top of what you're already making. Okay, so yeah, so if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. But the first and foremost, you want to go to that website, which is a video here, secretwealthprogram.com. Take a look at the video, and we'll go from there. But remember, there are a lot of courses out there, a lot of good courses. Everyone's trading forex, everyone's trading crypto, everyone's doing this and doing that. But the E-mini S&P 500, no one is really doing that. So it's like like a secret kind of deal. But it's so profitable, it's so predictable, and I show you step by step exactly how to do it. That's the main thing. Very simple to do. You want to ride the coattails of the hedge funds, the guys on Wall Street, and if you do that, then you can be successful. And I show you exactly how to do it, staying on the right side of the market. Bam! That's what you want to do. Okay. Anyway, hope you guys have a good day. Go to the video secretwealthprogram.com. Take a look. Bye.